Okay. Utini, you haven't had sex?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about? Or is this like your media training exercise? Like
No,
you were
I don't
telling
know what
me
you're talking about.
you've been having UPS all along and now?
Never. Not me. That is not even a thing. Don't even try that.
And why are you pregnant?
With what? What am I pregnant with?
I don't know. An alligator?
No, I'm not pregnant. I just gained weight. I don't know what happened.
You've just been drinking a lot of beer and eating a lot of meat.
December just ruined everything for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
I understand. So, indawo abantu bablame uDecember ngemizimba yabo yazi banga.
Cha, kodwa uDecember wo obono devil and demons. So I don't know what you're talking about.
Aye, kodwa December. Yeah, kuzoshintsha.
Never change.
Yeah, so I'll say. So I'm below I take with no nje. Oh shit, I saw your WhatsApp photo, eh? I said, what the fuck? Your photo yakho your WhatsApp.
Yeah.
I was like, what the fuck? Yes,
oh, my profile picture.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what it's called. I call it a photo, but like now ngazathi usemireni kanti awuzilungisanga amaphume endlini
Ngizilungisile.
or awusithembi vele
Because you keep telling me I'm fat.
but you are fat. I mean,
I'm going to the gym. You get you mean?
yeah, I need to go wrong over fat. Like you fat. This is a tattoo, right?
Yeah.
So what's wrong with that? Why are you not offended by that?
Offended by what?
By that this is a tattoo.
Why would I be offended that it's a tattoo?
It's a fact. Like being fat is a fact.
Okay, fine, I'm fat.
Yeah, so that's what it is. I'm not be offended. But you know, like how they say you cannot tell the lady she's fat. Like really. Anyway, Dineo. Star.
Yeah, ba.
Yeah. uChillinyana akunayo lento le ukuthi TV like welcome to interviews on the iPhone. My name is Chillimane, Umfana Wakdala, group Sphectacular signing out, the Lambo God, me. Nah, we're not doing that here. Just enjoy ukuthi sibe in a conversation, you know, speak on your music, understand ukuthi wena ubani from scratch, you know. What I'm gonna do with you, I'm gonna ask you to give me like an intro ukuthi wena ubani on a high level, and then we can take it from here.
What's good on the iPhone with the Chillimane? My name is Naledi Dineo Rabotapi. That's where the name Star comes from, because my second name is Naledi, and I was born and raised in Joburg. I was raised in Modderfontein, and then we moved. No. Then we moved to Bedford View, so I've been in Bedford View ever since.
Except Bedford View now.
Whatever.
GPS, it's
Germiston.
Yeah.
Look at
Germiston.
Okay. Go to Bedford View. Go to Bedford View on the map. I don't have my phone. Go to Bedford View on the map and see what it's written. It's written Germiston.
Yeah.
Whatever.
So Germiston, I Germiston.
Whatever.
Trying to be nice with it. So Dineo, what's Germiston? What's up?
I'm still talking about myself. Like, I don't get it. I was supposed to introduce myself. I'm not done introducing myself.
Oh shit, you introduced Germiston without you introducing yourself. Is that what you are?
No,
Germiston?
I was telling you why I call myself Star. I was telling you where I grew up. And just a little bit about me. But no. Somebody just wants to.
Is that how you talk when the camera is not in your face?
I'm talking like this all the time. I always talk like this. I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. Yeah, go so again. Yeah.
I'm Star, man. I'm Star. Star is the artist in me. I am a presenter, actress, vocalist, radio presenter, an MC.
Like a rapper, MC?
No, MCing as in MCing for parties.
Oh, master of ceremonies.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
But
And
can
then
you pass a rhyme? Like sometimes I know you can. Like you look like one of those girls who can just pass into rhyme.
ish, can depend. I'm fit. Yes. Can depend. Unless you're asking me.
I know my line, man. You can't.
Of course,
It's over my line, Wakdala. Chili put me on the spot. Yo, so Star. Why was bizarre Star?
I said at the beginning as my introduction, ngizbiza uStar because ngunaledi. How am I?
Oh, phela mina ngumZulu.
Yeah, Naledi means star. Naledi means
Imagine nangena bla.
But I said that in the introduction.
Yeah,
but
no. Angazi ukuthi Naledi kusho ukuthini.
It means star. Naledi means star. It means Kanyezi. That's where the name Star comes from. But what happened was before I used to call myself a very weird name. I used to call myself Diniki. I used to think I looked like Nicki Minaj. I was young and childish, and I was really obsessed with Lil Wayne. So I had two names. I had Diniki and Dinweezy.
Oh, so you're so young. Like you were young when Nicki Minaj came out.
Yeah.
I guess that's not really young. It's like 5 years ago. You were young.
I'm young,
How
dude.
old are you?
I'm only 23.
Oh shit. You're still a virgin.
So then this other guy that I used to like that used to manage me. He was under a company called On Point Entertainment. They used to manage Heavy K, and
That's not quite his name drop. Like, what's to say virgin?
then we spoke, and he asked me, do I still want to call myself Diniki? And I was like, no, I don't want to call myself Diniki. He's like, okay, what's your second name? And then I was like, my second name is Naledi. And he's like, oh, okay. So what does Naledi mean? It means star. And he's like, so why don't you call yourself Star? I'm like, what do you mean? Do you know that you're a star? You're a gift that's a star. So Dineo means gift, and Naledi means star. So I'm a gift that's a star.
Wow, that's was so deep. And then that's it. Like you told us we're going to be MC, we act.
Actress. I'm not an actor. There's a difference. Actors are males, and actresses are females.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Bofunda give high school.
I went to Jeppy Girls.
Ubana to fundis English.
Yo, dude, every year would change. Hey,
Saying you metric at least you lost tempe on kin.
I forgot her name. That woman.
Oh damn, she did good, man.
Yeah.
She, Lord.
I forgot her name.
So you're an actress.
I think it was Miss Douglas. Miss Douglas.
Just because Miss Douglas taught you that a female must be a actress, and then when you're thinking, yeah, women.
You're not funny.
On the mattress.
You're not funny.
There must be actress as well.
You're not funny.
Ah, come on, man, don't do that.
You're not funny.
So why find it way now? When's the uti ungabi actor? So more chairperson, more chairman, so by chairwoman. Like I mean, come on, man, don't belittle yourself like that.
Anyway, I'm an actress.
Oh, you're an actress.
Yes.
But actor go.
I've acted on Isibaya. I did a short role on Isibaya. I've done a lot of Lokshin Bioscopes. I've done something on Rhythm City as well. I've done something on Gauteng Maboneng. I currently have a series called Tasha Web Series that's on the net. It's on YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
And I just shot a movie. It's called Nomayini. It hasn't dropped yet, but it's going to drop on one of these dope channels.
Any?
Nomayini.
Nomayini?
Yeah.
You movie quite.
No, it's
Tasha Big we movie quite.
Nah,
serious.
This is actually a higher level. It's like they kind of interlink, because with Tasha the web series I play a character that's a rapper, and I'm a kid, I'm in high school, I'm selling space cookies, I'm trying to make it out, man, in the hood. And then with Nomayini, they kind of connected, but they're not. Like I'm a high level of what I was acting. I'm also a main character there. I play a character called Valerie. I own a club, I own a label. I'm trying to find the person who killed my father. So I work for this guy that actually killed my father, so I'm undercover. And yeah, and then I end up falling in love with one of the artists. So it's kind of similar, but it's a high level.
So there's a sex scene there?
Yeah.
Oh Lord.
No, not really.
Have you shot that sex scene yet?
It's done. We've done shooting. They've even paid us.
Before the wait or after the wait? Before the mkaba or after the mkaba?
I don't have time for this.
I was pretty sexy in your coach, like, why not you?
No, we didn't shoot like the entire thing because they saw our waiters.
There was no like false penetration. Oh, Benji, but
yeah.
Really? Wavuma naye. Mina ngeke ngize ngishuthi sexini singekho ngqono. Sexini kanjani singekho ngqono. Anyway, so laphayana kuThesha ne. Like don't call it Thesha. It's Thesha. Ne? Like you're misrepresenting yourself right here. Like it's Thesha. I'm from Germiston. What do you call it? Germiston. Is that what it called? Say Germiston la. When you Germiston. Like, what's your name? Dineo? Is that what you are? What Dineo? But anyway, what Dineo?
Okay, so.
Ufuna something. Why you act? Because like eqaleni uqala kakhuluma ngokuthi music. And then sasheshe sapriza over music sangena kwi acting. Why music awusawushaya yini?
My first love was presenting. And then I've always loved music, and then I did music as a subject in high school because I was lucky enough to go to the high school that offered music. You know, to learn these notes, treble clef, bass clef, staccato, and all that things. So, presenting. And then I started falling out of love with presenting. And then also in high school, they offered drama, so I did drama. So, somehow, somewhere, I'd always land up doing music. It was never something that I'd put pressure on. What I put pressure on was presenting. And then I landed up getting a lot of acting gigs more than presenting gigs. And then I discovered that I could act. I didn't know that I could act. And then with Tasha, I had to make a song because the character I play is a rapper. And then people started asking me to feature on songs. I did a song with Pen Naves. I did something with Chillimane Cool Cats.
Like with Tasha, you did a song, ne?
Yeah.
Yo, why did you do a song with Tasha? I'm a space cookies la payana. Like I don't understand. Like give me a timeline, ne? Let's do it like this because I think we're gonna be all over the place if we don't control this. Can you give me a timeline of how obviously you identified yourself with industry? I mean, I met you a couple of years ago and you were none of these things that you're talking about.
I was. It's okay, just because you didn't know about it.
So take me from there because obviously everything that you're talking it doesn't make sense. Can you make me understand it from the time you decide to
okay,
a continuity presenter to the point where you're now acting in this new movie where you're a club owner? So take me through the process and then understand and abantu na understand the process yakho bekanjani. Because right now, you know what I'm saying, I mean, you're writing your CV like, fuck you, nigga. I was working with Pen Naves. Fuck's Pen Naves. Okay, yeah, I was working with those guys. Fuck those guys. I want to know about you.
Ballet was great. I got offered or maybe it wasn't 8. Maybe I'm mistaking the age. Maybe it was like when I was 11 or something. I was 11, I did ballet, and then I went to some school, some dope school, ballet in Alex. And then in the space of going to that school, I was offered to go to France to carry on with my ballet. And then this lady that was my instructor, because it was my first time trying out, we went to NSA for the auditions. This lady said to me, I remember her name was Penny, she's like to me, no, I feel like the girls that have been with me for a long time, they're the ones that need to go to France. You're still young and you just joined it. I don't want you to sprain your knee. So my dad got hacked. He's like, let's leave this place.
Was it your decision to stop?
No, it was my dad's decision to stop because he was like, this lady or whatever. Then I went to rock and roll. I did rock and roll and hip hop. And then after rock and roll and rock and roll and hip hop, I did ballroom dancing. And then ballroom dancing, I went into modeling. And I used to have dreadlocks.
What were you modeling?
I was modeling for an agency called Figures Model. They're still around right now. I went to a competition in Carnival City. I didn't win because they didn't like my hair. So I was modeling on not necessarily runway, but just...
Not because the other girl was like awesome, or was it the guy that won?
No, the lady that owns my agency told me, she's like, the reason why you didn't win is because the judges didn't like your hair and they need you for some product, blah, blah, blah. Then after a couple of years, I cut my hair. That's all primary school stuff. Then high school, that's when Dineo got an agency. Because I had always been passionate about the love for acting and presenting and music and emceeing and everything. It grew from the dancing, because it was all steps. It went to dancing and then it went to modeling, and then 2009 I was like, you know what? I think 2009. I'm not sure. 2009 lab.
11 lab.
2009. I don't know. I'm a bit confused with my timelines, but 2009 or 2008, I think that was the time I was supposed to be. I was in grade 8, I think 2009 or 2008, I'm not sure. And then I got myself an agency maybe when I was like 16. And then after getting an agency, I was like, okay, cool, now it's time for me to push. That's when I started going out a lot. That's when I got a 9 to 5. I got a 9 to 5 like on weekends. On weekends, if I was not at school, I was working, making money. I'd work 2 jobs. Sometimes I'd be working at a club, and that time I'm like really, really young.
What's your name?
I used to hostess at a couple of clubs, and I was very young, but I'd dress as if I'm old. And then then I'd go out to like a lot of parties, get to know people, connect. Then after connecting with people, that's when the journey of the acting and the presenting started. That's when people would call me up and be like, yo dog, there's a Lockship basketball shooting, come through, come audition. Then audition, start the Lockship Biceps, present for... I once presented for a show called Campus Vibes. It was a show that was based on what students do, what are students up to, what are they interested in, what makes students...
Okay, sharp. I'm jealous. So like you're talking about your acting career, like so you're saying you're calling any show?
My acting started with Lockship Biceps.
Lockship Biceps.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lockship Biceps, Ekasi Stories. Then it went into Inspire. Then it went into...
Inspire your sound.
Inspire, the role that I did was very short, so I didn't have a name, but I was somebody's... I don't know, can I swear?
Ow, for sec. So like, you can swear. Just give me a right.
I was somebody's bitch on Inspire. I was smoking drugs, we're doing coke. I was a party girl, man. I was a party girl. And then Rhythm City, I was like... I was just an extra, man, nothing hectic. And then Gauteng Maboneng, I think I did also like some extra work. The first big role that was like really, really dope for me was the Inspire one. And then after that...
Inspire was big? Because Rhythm City
I don't know, with the Inspire role that I did, it was a lot of people that needed to see it for me to get more serious in the game, so that okay, she can act. Because remember, when you go out a lot,
it's a good resume.
Yeah,
exactly.
You know, when you go out, a lot of people don't take you seriously because they're like, oh, this girl's always in the club. Like, what is she doing in the club?
Oh yeah.
So I knew what I was doing. I knew that I wanted to make connections outside of my agency. You know, like connect with people. Then I did Tasha web series. A friend of mine called me up. He's like, yo, can you act? I'm like, yeah. He's like, listen, there's auditions for this thing we're shooting. It's a series, so can you come through and audition to Dawn Park? I'm like, yo, Dawn Park is far. Like, okay, audition on video.
So
we'll send you the script.
I understand like the whole journey of getting the parts. I don't give a fuck. But anyway, I just wanted to know, like, with Tesha, you look like you're the main act.
I am.
You're the main act,
Yeah.
and as the main act, you are the girlfriend of Steering as well. So nobody truly need Steering. This is like the song that you did together, ne?
Yeah, you decided to play it with my pen.
Oh no, it's okay. Like let me produce my show. You know, can I do that? Okay, thank you. And then lapha kushesha I don't know ukuthi yini leni eculayo quiet or hip hop nale boyfriend yakho.
This is not a Tesha song.
Oh, this one is not a Tesha song.
But I did with somebody I worked with on Tesha that also acted.
Yeah. This is not necessarily a Tesha song. I understand that, but what I'm asking you is it quite the normal?
Okay. I'm not sure. I was just given a beat to write.
What are you ever sure about?
What I'm sure about is that I'm an entertainer. That's what I'm sure about. I'm 100% sure that I'm an entertainer and I'm good at what I do because I love what I do. You become good at what you do when you love it. I love what I do and I'm doing it because I love it. So that's what I know I'm sure about, that I'm an entertainer. Born and bred entertainer. I live being an entertainer. I sleep being an entertainer. I breathe being an entertainer.
Okay, for sure.
It's a juicy kind of party. Got my shorties looking ready for the nights. Hey, sure. Niggas want the body.
Untalented now.
Yeah.
You've worked with Sphectacular Naves, ne?
Yeah.
I think that's like one of the biggest thing you've done in music.
Yeah,
I understand that. That recognition to which we told you Sphectacular Naves and be able to be on such a big album and such a big song about Babantu. How did that come about? And
funny story. Yeah.
Ufila kanjani? Like ufila ngazathi ngabe ukude manje after the song came out.
Yes, this was my big break. But this was my big break. This song was meant to be my big break, whether musically or as an actress, whatever. This song was my big break. Yeah, because this was when it was an introduction. We say, okay, Star can also do this. So the sad thing is that I never got to perform a lot with them this song, because the person who used to perform it a lot and they used to go with everywhere was Uan. Okay, so I performed. Brother. Yeah, so I've performed this song like maybe 3 times or 4 times. I've performed at Taboo. The other time I was supposed to perform at Taboo, but I left because I had to go for an MCing gig in Rustenburg. And then I performed at Wits, Taboo. I forgot the other place that I performed at.
Okay,
yeah.
So pretty much you're saying, you didn't get to perform the song as much as you wanted to.
I didn't get to perform the song as much as I wanted to, but the thing is, there's a friend of mine as well that would put me on a set sometimes because she's a DJ. She'd put me on a set and I'd perform it. The thing is, I was supposed to perform it on my own because I'm also a vocalist on the song. Whether it belongs to Sphectacular Naves or not, I'm a featured artist. I could have gone to a lot of gigs and performed it myself and pushed it. I didn't need them to push me because they already gave me the platform. And now I was kind of like under their shadow, because everywhere I'd go now would be a thing of say, where's Pay? When are you guys performing?
So you felt like they hated you out of the performances?
No, not at all.
So why didn't they invite you? Like, how is it love if they don't invite you?
Look, man, I it's cool. It's okay, because not a lot of people know that it's me on the song. And I sometimes...
you contributed. Everybody loved the song. Even though Ani carried the song, you killed it as well when you came out. There we go. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you carried the song as well, and then Masagu is cut performer Abeko Young Todd. I mean, I think you got hated out of the performances.
Look, it's okay because number one, this song was a beautiful mistake. When I say it's a beautiful mistake, this song was initially supposed to only be Ani.
Okay.
How it came about that we made this song was Ani was at home chilling, and he's like, because we really good friends, it was like, yo, pull through, let's chill, you know, let's have a great time. I'm like, cool. I get into the studio, this song is playing. And I always had this hook where I'd be with my friends and I'd be like, Yonkinti Luna. Yeah?
You know, you're not gonna die of asthma. Oh shit, sorry, I'm not gonna smoke.
So I'd always be like, Yonkinti Lula, you know, all the time. That's my thing. Yonkinti Lula. I got into the studio, they were doing this, and I was like, dude, I've got a hook. Listen to what it says. Gops was the one that was producing the thing.
Gops.
Yeah, he was producing it. So he's like, put it on, let's see what's going on. I put it on, I said a couple of things. I chilled with the boys, and then after that I left. I went home. Couple of weeks later, I think this is 2015, yes, it's 2015. Couple of weeks later, Spec gives me a call. He's like, hey, I'm around your area. I was just letting you know that I'm around your area, and I wanted to let you know that the song is on the album. I'm like, what song? Remember the song we recorded that day you came? The song is on the album. Really? Yo, I couldn't believe that it was an album. And then it started playing on radio, and then it rotated on radio, and then we had to re-record it again to be a clean version. It went number 1 on the YFM charts. And another thing is, by Sile, we didn't shoot a video. Was Spain them thought like shooting a video with the clean version would be boring, and it's deep in the water. They don't believe in the song. There was just a lot of things that were just being said. And
okay, so they basically half-stepped on the opportunity because you wish you could have.
I just needed the.
Because it was
the song belongs to Universal. The song belongs to Universal. So even if I wanted to, I only have maybe rights to the song like 25%, or even not even 25%. Maybe I have like 12%. Who knows? Maybe I have 12%. If we had to go to Samro, I'd probably have 12.5%. Maybe me and Ani splits it 25% to 12.5. That's how much ownership I have of the song. That's it.
Oh, so you never registered your song?
They never registered the song. The only song that they had registered...
Did you register your song?
I went to register it on my side, but if they didn't register it because they kind of the owners of the beats and everything, they're the composers, they're the producers, then it's not recognizable. So on my side, as a vocalist, as an author rather, at Samro, that's what they say, as an author, you'd know, as an author, I registered it, but I can't register it without knowing my percentage, because I remember that one of the ladies...
Who told you that?
No, I did register it. Listen to what I'm saying, I'm not done. The lady said to me that the only song that I had registered because it was big. The lady at Samro. Yeah.
This is a big story. Let me listen to this.
The lady at Samro just said that the song that she thinks was registered was
so the lady at Samro is telling you that Sphectacular Naves released an album which had radio play, and they didn't register the song. Wow. So they didn't register the song. That song was playing on radio. It was number 1, but
at that time when I went to go register an author, she said they haven't. I don't know. She said some word. Is notification.
Like you haven't been handling your business.
What are you saying?
What I'm asking. You didn't register the song, pretty much.
Have
you ever been paid for the song?
No.
Huh?
No.
So you didn't register the song?
I registered
because
on my
it doesn't matter
author.
whether Pay registers or not. When if you go have your own notification, they pay you what is due to you. And let me tell you, if nobody has a claim on, if nobody else has a notification with the same song, you get 100% of the song.
No, listen to what I'm saying. Listen to what I'm saying. I'm talking about the person that works at Samru. And I know you're an artist too, and you'd know better. But I'm talking about the person that works at Star Ep1. I'm not even going to mention her name because I know her personally. But she said to me that, yes, you can register it as an author as a vocalist, because you the lyrics you're singing, you own them. But many bona bazo notify under their profile, ukuthi bazothola ama royalties as well, and how we split it. And we never had a discussion ukuthi how we're going to split it. Remember, the song happened by mistake. It was a beautiful mistake. It happened because we were just hanging out.
Okay, so you worked Nabos Pay, Nabo Naves, and then obviously everything else.
And another thing, just to mention, Spare was like a mentor. He mentored a lot of the. He mentored me. He helped me with my presenting a bit. You know, he did a couple of things. So, besides the song, he was just always a mentor, nyana.
So you're kissing Spare's ass right now. Dick riding has never been a form of transportation. Like, don't.
I'm not kissing his ass. Why am I kissing his ass?
Why are you?
I was not done talking, and then you involved yourself in my conversation.
You're cleaning up. You're cleaning up.
What am I cleaning up?
Just in case Spare hears this and feels like, Dineo misrepresented me, and like, yo, he was my mentor.
No. What am I cleaning up? What I'm speaking about right now is the truth. It's not me throwing shade.
This is a cleanup. This is
Mfana, you got into my conversation. Okay, you're an idiot, eh? You're stupid.
Okay, did you go to Sphectacular Naves anyway?
I went to the bachelor party.
You went to the bachelor party?
Yeah.
As a what?
As a mate.
As a homie.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay, I'm a cheat. That's a memo.
No, I didn't go to. I did. No, man. No, man. I'm joking. I didn't go to the bachelor party.
No, okay, cool. No, we won't edit that out.
No, I'm joking. I didn't go to the wedding, man. I wasn't invited to the wedding.
Okay, Dineo. So like, Omabella, like, I understand the journey. It doesn't sound like a story that is ready to be documented because it's not well thought of, like, so to speak. Can I say that?
Yeah, you opinionated?
Yeah, like I'm just thinking, Jay. I mean, I read your biography and it's well put together. Who put that together for you?
I did.
Yeah, so I mean, I was hoping that you're gonna tell me a story which is compelling about you. There's a whole lot of other things that you never mentioned about yourself.
Like?
But, you know, I'm interviewing you, so
like what? Because you're supposed to be asking the questions.
Interviewing you, so it's not really a point. I mean, tell me, like, I know you've been rolling with the guys, be ambitious, kakulu, like, you know that bullshit. Yo, you've been rolling with about
I don't
MT,
even know them.
about Saudi.
Nope.
You don't know them?
Nah.
Have you ever met MT before? Dineo almost been my awards MT na kuluma kren manja summers.
Why do I need to mention people that are like?
No. I just wanted to know how you feel about like them ambitious boys taking it to the next level.
Those boys are doing the most.
So when you say you don't know them,
they're doing the most.
It kind of kills like my segue, you know.
No, they're doing the most. When I'm interviewing, it's something. I'm interviewing. They like to make people look bad. You were trying to make me look bad not that so long ago, telling me, hey, I'm cleaning up my mess. When me, I was only.
This is not an interview. This is me coming to talk to you. This is raw. Like we're not doing. I'm an interview as a TV. Otherwise, let's have a camera. Was picked iPhone. This with Benzi. Nkogeli shirt le puma give me print yang tola. And now shamaza zako. It's simple. Then I say kulumele. Like we don't have to, you know.
So I don't know what to talk about.
What
are you asking me about amazing? I think they're amazing. I think they're all amazing. I think they're great. They're doing the damn thing.
Did you hear the music though?
I listened to Saudi's album. Wow.
No. I'm talking about the Black Panther. Did you hear like Saudi and 2 Chainz?
I did.
How did you feel like Saudi? Like, do you think you know, he killed it like he usually kills it. It will go my summertime high.
I wasn't really paying attention to the song, dude. After I heard Wololo, I was just over it.
Huh?
There was Wololo in Black Panther.
No, I'm talking about. Oh shit, yo, get it, man. You crazy. You crazy, man. Why do people just say? Yeah, as long as there was, just say I don't know what you're talking about, because I'm talking about the soundtrack. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh,
There's
the
no
soundtrack.
in the fucking soundtrack.
Oh, you're talking about the soundtrack.
Yeah.
I didn't hear Saudi's voice.
Ah shit, he killed it though. I think
Shame,
okay.
I've only got 3 songs.
You only got 3 songs. Like,
Not-
oh shit, these are your only songs. Sorry, Dineo, man. You need to go
No,
put
it's
your
not.
work
It's
in.
not. It's not my only songs. It's just the only ones that I have on me. And why are you changing my song? Because nobody heard it properly.
I'm not even trying to make them hear this shit. Why would I want people to
That's
hear
so
this?
much. So much like a cool. That's so much.
Yeah. Okay, Oputab,
Tembisa.
your friend.
Tembisa.
Okay. When was the last time you saw her?
2 months ago.
Oh wow. Is their friendship on the rocks?
No. I'm leaving her to focus on school.
Oh wow. Nice.
Yeah. I've got my own hustle. I've lived with her for 2 years. I know how it feels to be with her every day. So now she needs to focus on school. See her on holidays, man. Can't be distracting her.
Focus. Yeah, 2018.
You know, can't be
Life.
distracting her. I'll be a great distraction.
Okay.
And plus, I'm lazy to go to Tembisa. I don't like Tembisa.
Oh, why?
I just don't like it.
Oh, you just over it.
I don't like it.
Oh, you never liked it in the first place.
I've never liked Tembisa.
Okay. Oh wow. So yeah, Dineo, I think mina now vele siqedile ukukhuluma because
So, yodlala plento le?
Hmm?
Yodlala plento le?
Enyan.
Lento esirecordile le?
Oh well, it's gonna play on my YouTube channel.
When is this YouTube channel coming out?
As soon as I edit this, I'm throwing it up.
When?
I'm gonna let you know. You know. Yeah, boy.
Alright, what's good? It's your girl Star in the business. We were out here with Chillimane talking about everything about me, the Star. Please follow me on Instagram, Star_Rabotapi or Rabotapi, how they say it as black people. I wish I was white. Rabotapi. Don't forget Star_Rabotapi, Rabotapi. That's on the gram. That's on the Twitter. Reasons in the business. Yeah, on the Facebook, man, I'm the girl, Naledi Dineo Rabotapi. Same way you spell it, Rabotapi. Watch the girl transform, watch the girl grow. You know, follow your girl so you can get entertained by all of this. The wait is gonna get lost. Don't you worry, Chillimane. Shout out to Chilli for coming through to find out about the girl, even though everything that I told him he probably knows. But yes, starting out.
Okay, Dineo, siyabonga ukuthi ufike ne. It's been awesome ukukhuluma nawe. I think
Wasn't awesome. You didn't enjoy it.
We need to do this again.
You didn't enjoy it.
Huh?
You didn't enjoy it.
What do you mean I didn't enjoy
You didn't
it?
enjoy it. Never.
I'm telling you, this is gold. This is content. It doesn't matter ukuthi mina ngifila kanjani, but some other people might have to have a different feeling about it. You know what I'm saying? So, buzile nje. First question engibuza yona, you know, Tim. What's here as Tim? Bugo muhle kanjani?
Oh, but you told me I'm fat.
Yeah, you are fat. Like, what the fuck?
So are you buying me this lunch or what?
I'm not buying you lunch. Yo, let's just close it up first. All the best, ne?
With what?
With everything that you do. Like, I don't know if you're an actor, continue to present, an MC, a kwaito artist, and
Excuse me?
I don't know what you do really, but all the best with your acting.
Did you not
career.
open my profile? Did it not tell you?
Your profile has got a couple of things that you do, and I'm not really sure.
I've done radio. I was on a radio station called
What are
Trans
you
Africa.
focusing on?
My focus is acting. But if
Okay,
I don't
alright,
have...
so we wish you all the best with your acting career
And my rap career.
Guess what?
And my rap career.
I think acting is something that you do best. And I've heard you rap as well.
Rapping is okay.
No, I asked you. No, I think rapping is gonna be best for you. Let me tell you why. Because obviously, I mean, you're very young, and would like to see you grow nathi. Angithola sikubone sewugogo actor ugogo. Khona manje i-rapping yakho. I think ukuthi iyahamba ihambe ifike mhlambe ku-40. I haven't seen a 40-year-old female rapper.
Okay.
But as an actor, I think you can go even further than that.
Definitely.
You know? I mean, right now you're 23.
Yeah.
As an actor, you still got 53 more years. You know what I'm saying? But as a rapper, I doubt. And anyway, you know, acting is what you do better.
Definitely.
You know what I'm saying? And all the best in now. I hope like you go out and work out and lose all this weight and be a better person for yourself.
Def.
You know, you want to close this with a prayer? Do you pray?
I do.
You want to pray for us?
Let's do it. Dear God, thank you for everything that you've done. Thank you for keeping us safe. Thank you for all the things that you've done for us. Thank you for providing us with all the things that we need. We might not have everything that we want. Please continue to guide us with everything that we put our minds to. And wherever we're headed in life, just give us guidance. In the name of Jesus, amen.
Amen. It's a wrap, motherfuckers.